Yeah, almost finished. Kwan, you want my sausage?
No.
Why not? Still looks nice.
Ketchup on the head.
Ketchup
on the head. Is it? Oh, is it a spot? Yeah, it's ketchup. Ketchup on the head.
Yeah, like LK-metro in daytime. Let's say 4 p.m. Billabong is just opening. Getting ready for a busy night again. So just at the breakfast here in i-ROVERS. We'll show you inside. Pretty good. It was pretty good, but I will give you the points later.
What's that? Coconut?
So the Bad Buster, and you have them in English, American, light.
Can't taste like anything.
Quickly showing you some prices here.
No coconut? Really?
But they serve some real nice food that I'll show you later. But I get I get the English one, but without the black pudding and without the baked beans here. So Dean got the American one with the pancakes, but I don't like pancakes in the morning. Whoever it's afternoon now, yes. It's 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, yeah. Okay.
But the rest of the menu,
Okay.
yeah, fish and chips. They have about every dish, even Indian curries here. Club sandwich, lamb kebab. Our prices seem fair for Western food. Looks good. And also some Thai food I see here. What did you order, Kwan? Panangai? Okay. So you have the Panangai. Don't see it here. Oh, before. Ah, yeah. Red curry with pork. And it's about 149 baht. Must be good, must be good. But we know Kwan and our ratings. Huh?
Yeah, 5 out of 10.
Oh, 5 out of 10.
It's always a 5 out of 10.
See, has to be perfect
You
or
can cook it better, you know.
or brought over by the Izan or something. Freshly. That's good. Yeah, this was the menu. And we wait for our breakfast. We get our coffee already. Nice big one. Orange juice.
Actually, this is probably yours. Did you order this? I haven't eaten it yet. It's got a hash brown. I'm going to get a hash brown.
Oh yeah.
That'll be yours. I was sitting there looking at it going, where's the pancake?
There's the pancakes. That's my breakfast.
Yeah.
This is a little bit the inside here of the i-ROVERS. It's quite empty at the moment, but yeah, we come at unreasonable time here, 3 o'clock. But I can show you the breakfast now. Huh? All in one shot.
Hello.
Yeah, I didn't order the black pudding. It's not my thing.
No worries, man. You got super drunk.
I think this is the hash brown.
Yeah, pretty much, bro.
Toast. Bacon.
Hell yeah, dude.
Potatoes and some eggs. Yeah.
It's so
Sausages.
I bought the
Yeah, it looks good.
I
Huh?
bought the red Joy-Cons over here, the Mario edition ones.
Gonna try it. This is the Penang curry. Looks good. And Dean has already finished this English American breakfast. How are the pancakes? Good? I'm gonna try also.
This is the fresh one. Fresh. Yeah, it's nice.
I'm gonna try a little bit of the pancake. No?
Good.
Yeah, not too sweet. That's good. He had also the same. Our friend James. So what can I say so far? The sausage for me is a little bit plain, unseasoned. I don't know. It needs some salt and some pepper. But the structure is okay, I think. It's not too greasy. Potatoes are fine. The bacon is good. I like it. It's not too much grease on the outside, so I like that. Hash brown is okay. Tomato is okay. And the eggs and the toast are really good. The best so far I had, I think. And this is, how you call it, Dean?
Fried bread.
Fried bread, yeah. It's fried in some grease or something from the bacon, yeah.
It's good.
This is the normal toast, but this is really good, really good. Coffee is okay. And tell you later how it totally was. We're gonna give some points again. See you soon. Yeah, almost finished. Kwan, you want my sausage?
No.
Why not? It still looks nice. Just making a joke, guys. Yeah, nice sports bar here. A lot of TV screens. And nice food. We're gonna wait it outside, I think. Yeah, in the blistering heat, smoke cigarettes. Maybe we can do it now also, why not? Bucket specials every day, yeah. Laurie is buying some watches here. He's gonna be so scammed. Unbelievable. I think I need to go help him. He's gonna pay way too much.
Okay.
Laurie, you want to start?
Okay.
Points out of 10?
Food was a little bit better than last time we went to
Recook's on game, yeah.
Yep, all the food was a bit better, although I had an American breakfast, not an English breakfast.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, you're right, the sausage, but I did put salt and pepper on it, it's okay.
Yeah, with some salt and pepper, it was okay.
And it's about 1/4 less of the price than that. I'd give this eight and a half maybe.
Yeah, if you consider the price, it's, you can give higher points.
Yeah, definitely.
And you, Nick?
I'm easy. I reckon Nick.
Nick Dean.
Nick 3.
But the other one, his last name is Dean, eh?
It is
very confusing,
yeah.
yeah.
Mixed up. I don't know. I'm pretty simple. It was a 9 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, 9 out of 10?
Even could be a 9.5 because it's cheap and it's good. I finished all of it.
Yeah.
The pancakes were amazing. I'd come back. Yeah, I'd come back. Yeah.
Should we ask one or not?
You want to rate your food? Score for food out of 10.
For the Thai food.
6. Oh.
A 6? It's getting better. It's getting better.
There's no bullfrog in it.
It's not a 5. There's no fried bullfrog. So, you know.
How about you?
Yeah.
How about you,
For
Mr.
me,
Ketchup on the head?
Ketchup on the head.
Is it? Oh, it's a spot. Yeah, it's ketchup. Ketchup on the head.
I can't remember what I rated in the other retooks. But this, 8, yeah. 8.
Fried bread.
Considering, the fried bread was really good. Has some special taste in it. The eggs were very tasty. And it sounds strange, like eggs, they taste overall the same, but these are really good.
Really good. Free range, probably.
Yeah, good eggs. Yeah, sausage was a little bit less, but the rest, the hash brown was good. What else was on the plate?
Yeah. You didn't get beans, did you?
No, I didn't order the beans because I don't
Tomato.
like
I'm
them.
going to photo of it. Hold on, let's see what else we got there.
Tomatoes and bacon.
Yeah, give it an 8. Yeah,
Yeah, tomato, bacon.
price was very good. 129 baht for mine.
Well, there was potatoes.
That's like
as well.
50 baht cheaper than in the Doritos.
What were the potatoes like?
Oh yeah, the potatoes. Yeah, they're okay. Yeah, needed some salt on it, but okay. Maybe I would give it an 8.5. Yeah, I would go
Come
back.
back in.
Yeah,
Yeah. I like the burrito.
considering the price.
Yeah, way
value.
cheaper as well.
See you again, guys. I'm gonna end this video. Hope you liked it. Thumbs up. See you in the next food review. See you in the next food review. Bye bye.
Yeah.